क्या सिर्फ एब एक्सरसाइजेस करने से फ्लैट स्टमक मिल जाता है? बिल्कुल नहीं। स्पॉट रिडक्शन इज नॉट पॉसिबल। फ्लैट स्टमक पाने के लिए हमें अपनी पूरी बॉडी पर वर्क करना होगा और साथ ही साथ कोर को भी स्ट्रॉन्ग करना होगा। तो आज के सेशन में हम इन दोनों पर ही काम करेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहले come in the front of your mat. Now join your toes, separate your heels. Now inhale and take your hands from the sides. Interlock the fingers, palms together, index finger out. Now keep stretching your hands up like this. Lock your knees, keep pulling your hands up. We are holding it for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release your knees. Now bend to the right side. Hold it for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Elbow straight रहेंगी. 8, 9, 10. Come in the center. Pull your hands up. Now bend to the left side. I am just showing you, you have to stand in the front of your mat. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back in the center. Now separate your hands and all the way go down. Touch your toes. Look in between your knees. Again, we are holding it for 10 counts. 1, 2. Try to keep your knees straight. Go down as much as you can, looking in between your knees. 7, 8, 9, 10. Now come in plank. Again, we are holding it for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. Now place your knees down, flex your feet and come in upward facing dog. Holding it for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. Come in downward facing dog. We are holding it for 10 counts. 1, 2. Push from your shoulders. Try to touch your heels to your mat. 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. Now take your right foot in between your both hands and slowly come up for Veerbhadrasana 1. Holding it for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And slowly all the way come up and turn towards the front side. Now rotate your right foot. Take your hands in T. Now go down and try to touch your right foot. Taking your right hand behind your right foot and looking at your left hand. Feel the squeezing action from your waist. We are holding it for 10 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And slowly come up. Now twist completely towards your right side. Now we are touching this left hand outside the right foot and try to look up towards our right hand. Feel this twisting action in your waist. Again holding for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And slowly come back. Now take your right foot in, join your legs, and we will just relax in Uttanasana. Just hang yourself. We are not doing anything, just move your hand side to side. We have to repeat one more time the same thing from the other side. So just relax here. Now slowly come up. One more time in front of your mat. Toes together, heels apart. Inhale and take your arms from the sides. Interlock the fingers, index finger out. Lock your knees and start pulling your hands up. Locking your knees, holding it for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax your knees and bend to the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back in the center and bend to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now come in the center, separate your hands and all the way go down. Touch your toes, look in between your knees and stay here for 10 counts. Try to go down as much as you can. You can hold your ankles to bring your head closer to your knees, widening your elbows. Slightly push yourself. This is our second round. Yes. And change. Now coming in plank. One more time. Holding it for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. Place your knees down. Look up. Upward facing dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Change. Come in downward facing dog. 1, 2, 3. Push from your shoulders. Touch your heels to your mat. Your head is going down. Yes. Second round hai ye. So slightly push yourself. Change. Now take your left foot in between your both hands and come in Veerbhadrasana 1. Holding it for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now slowly all the way come up. Open your legs wide. Now rotate your left foot. Take your hands in T position and start bending towards the left side. Go down. Try to touch your fingers behind your left foot and look at your right hand. We are holding it for 10 counts. Just feel this stretch. We are working on our full body as well as on our stomach. After 10 counts, slowly coming up. Now completely twist towards the left side. This time we are touching this right hand outside the left foot and twist completely looking at our left hand. Holding it for 10 counts. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And slowly come back. Take your hands down and join your both legs. Ready for our next pose. For this, join your toes, separate your heels. Now start bending your knees and lower your hips down. जितना नीचे आप अपने हिप्स को ले जा सकते हैं ले जाइए. अपने हाथों को नमस्ते में मिलाइए और अपनी लेफ्ट एल्बो को राइट नी के आउटसाइड हुक कर दीजिए. नाउ वी आर होल्डिंग इट फॉर 10 काउंट्स. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And slowly come up. Release your hands. Now same. अब हम अपोजिट साइड करेंगे. फिर से टोज टुगेदर, हील्स अपार्ट, बेंडिंग योर नीज, lower your hips down, hook your right elbow outside your left knee. Again, holding for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And slowly come. Now sit on your mat. Sit in Baddha Konasana. Join your soles. Hold your toes and now move your knees up and down. Just relax here. And change. Now stretch out your both legs in front of you. Take your left heel in your groin. Keep your right leg straight. Inhale. Take your both hands up. All the way go down. Try to hold your right foot. Widen your elbows. Slowly swing. You will see that you are going down. Now try to touch your chin on your knee. We are holding it for 10 counts. और जहां तक भी आपके हाथ आराम से पहुंच रहे हैं, बस हमें वहीं तक अपने हाथ से अपने पैर को होल्ड करना है और 10 काउंट्स तक रुकना है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And slowly come back. सेम हम दूसरी डायरेक्शन में करेंगे. राइट फुट को फोल्ड करके हील को ग्रॉइन में लाएंगे. लेफ्ट फुट को सीधा रखेंगे. इनहेल, टेकिंग योर बोथ हैंड्स अप. कीप लुकिंग स्ट्रेट. Go down, widen your elbows and try to touch your chin beyond your knee. थोड़ा थोड़ा स्विंग करके नीचे जाने की कोशिश करेंगे. और यदि आपकी लोअर बैक में टाइटनेस है तो आप केयरफुली इसे करेंगे. जहां तक भी आप कंफर्टेबली जा सकते हैं वहीं तक जाएं. 10 काउंट्स के लिए होल्ड कर रहे हैं इसे. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly coming up. And now for the next pose. One more time, bring your left foot heel in your groin. Open your right leg as much as you can. Now hook your big toe. और यदि आपका हाथ यहाँ तक नहीं पहुँच पाता है तो जहाँ तक भी आपका हाथ पहुँच रहा है वहाँ पर अपने हाथ को रखिए. Then start bending this right elbow. Take your left hand above your head. थोड़ा थोड़ा स्विंग करते हुए हम नीचे जाने की कोशिश करेंगे. आप देखेंगे कि आपकी हाथ नीचे जा रहा है. एंड इफ यू कैन होल्ड योर बिग टो फ्रॉम योर लेफ्ट हैंड ऑल्सो, होल्ड इट एंड स्टे हियर फॉर 10 काउंट्स. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And slowly take your left hand down. Bring your right leg in your groin. Open your left leg. स्टार्टिंग में हो सकता है आपको थोड़ा इशू हो, लेकिन धीरे धीरे जैसे जैसे आपकी बॉडी ओपन होगी आप आराम से नीचे जाने लगी. बेंडिंग योर एल्बो, टेकिंग योर राइट हैंड अप. स्मॉल pulses here and try to go down and catch your big toe and hold for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. आपकी वेस्ट में एक बहुत अच्छा स्ट्रेच आ रहा है, उसको फील करिए. हम इसको 10 काउंट्स के लिए होल्ड कर रहे हैं. 9, 10 एंड स्लोली कम बैक. नाउ वन मोर टाइम. Stretch your both legs in front of you. Come on your elbows. Now we are preparing for boat pose. Bend your knees first. First we will lift the legs up, then our upper body. First round holding for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly take your feet down. Just wrap your arms around your knees Look down and take 2-3 normal breaths. Ready for the second round. One more time, come on your elbows. Lift your both legs up. Feet are together. This time we are holding it for 15 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. आप इसे अपनी कैपेसिटी के अकॉर्डिंग भी कर सकते हैं. 14, 15. Take your legs down. Just relax. 2-3 normal breaths. And ready for the third round. Last round है ये. On your elbows, lifting your legs up first, lifting your upper body. 20 है इस बार. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bend your knees and relax. 2-3 normal breaths. And our next pose is Ardha Matsyendrasana. इसके लिए take your left foot outside your right hip. Now bring your right foot next to your left knee. Now just hug your knee and place your hand behind your back. This is one variation. And for the second variation, if you can grab your ankle, grab it and same way twist. Holding it for 10 counts. Chain. Come back in the center. Same अब हम दूसरी साइड से करेंगे. पहले हम राइट हील को लेफ्ट हिप के बाहर रखेंगे, लेफ्ट फुट को राइट नी के बराबर में. फर्स्ट वेरिएशन में हम अपने नी को हग करेंगे, इसको अंदर की तरफ पुश करेंगे, हाथ को पीछे रखेंगे और ट्विस्ट करेंगे. सेकेंड वेरिएशन में थोड़ा डीप है ये. यदि हम अपनी एंकल को ग्रैब कर सकते हैं तो ग्रैब करिए, पकड़ लीजिए अपनी एंकल को और फिर ट्विस्ट करिए. होल्डिंग इट फॉर 10 काउंट्स. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. Now lie down on your back. After lying down on our back, bend the knees. There is some gap between our knees. Now take your arms overhead. Now while exhaling, we have to come up and touch our knees. इसके हमें 10 rounds करने. Start. 1. Keep looking at the ceiling. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and hold in this position for 10 counts. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and slowly go down. Take 2-3 normal breaths. अब हमारा अगला पोज है और अब नेक्स्ट पोज के लिए इंटरलॉक योर फिंगर्स बिहाइंड योर नेक. वी हैव टू टच अपोजिट एल्बो टू अपोजिट नी. टोटल 20 राउंड्स करने हैं इसके. स्टार्ट. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and slowly take your legs down and relax. Now ready for the next pose. Straighten your both legs. Now bring your right leg up to 90 degree. Start. Just take it down, touch the heel to the mat and bring it back. Total 10 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now bring the leg back at 90 degree. Bring the toes down and we are holding it for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax your leg, take it down, take 2, 3 normal breaths. Now same with left leg. Bring the leg first at 90 degree. Now start touching it to the mat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bringing back at 90 degree, hold for 10 counts. Toes slightly down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take your leg down. Just take 2, 3 normal breaths. Next pose. Inhale and raise your both legs up to the 90 degree. Same we will do with both legs together. Start. 1. This time we are not touching the mat. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. यदि आपकी बैक में पेन है तो आप दोनों लेग से एक साथ नहीं करेंगे. 9, 10. At 90 degree, hold it for 10 counts. Toes towards you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And take your legs down. Take 2, 3 normal breaths. Ready for the next pose. One more time. Bend your both knees. Gap between your knees. Fingertips touching to your heels. Start lifting your buttocks up. Roll down on your shoulders. Lift yourself as high as you can. Hold for 10 counts. Seven, 8, 9, 10. And slowly come down. Again, taking some normal breaths. Now bring your hands in T position. Join your knees, join your feet and drop your knees towards the right side, looking in the opposite direction. Holding it for few seconds. Change. Come back in the center. Same way, drop your knees towards the left side. Looking at your right hand. Change. Come back in the center. Now gently hug your knees. Just relax here. Roll down side to side. Very gently move. Release your hands. Place your feet on your mat and slowly all the way come up. यदि आप सच में फ्लैट स्टमक चाहते हैं तो आपको एब्स एक्सरसाइज के साथ साथ अपनी पूरी बॉडी पर भी काम करना होगा. और इस सेशन को यदि आप डेली प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो आपको बहुत ही जल्दी बहुत अच्छे रिजल्ट्स मिलेंगे. एंड इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो देन प्लीज लाइक इट and share it with your friends and family, and do subscribe my channel Harmony with Parul. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching me.